by the fistful, I don't throw uppercuts. This is upper class, underground now, turn it up. I turn the party out when I speak what's inside. Put your hands up like you're reaching for the sky. Shine like a disco ball when I reflect like divine insight. Cash checks when I check mics. You might have heard my rap name through the grapevine. Shaking up the scene like 808s and baseline. I got punchlines exact with the left cross. I never left the cross behind, so stop frontin'. I'm a front man, it's time to meet the band. Keep my flow tight like the pants on Peter Pan. No weakness, I'm strong with either hand. I got a right hook to make your teeth cave in. Put the cook on the line when I'm fishing for souls and it's drinking on scrolls. Come and get it. I got a box around pages. It's the box around pages. Rock stop, rock stop. Rockin' for the rocket ages. I got a box around pages. It's the box around pages. Rock stop, rock stop. Rockin' for the rocket ages. I can rip the track without getting violent. If you got nothing to say, then stay silent. A lot of rappers can't spit, they got dry lips. You can't buy respect in this game, son, it's priceless. Living water, try this, it might refresh ya. Help you cope with the pressure, press on. I'll be rapping till I go for like a professor. Wearing gold pants, we got a super on my tensions. Yeah, it's the box around pages. I design rhymes to spread love, contagious. Real frizzy, I'm a natural born American. Screaming on tracks like the lead singer from Aerosmith. So here it is, here I come. And I'll be doing this for fun when my career is done. Turning up my headphones till my ear is numb. I fear God, besides him I fear none. I got a box around pages. It's the box around pages. Rock stop, rock stop. Rockin' for the rocket ages. I got a box around pages. It's the box around pages. Rock stop, rock stop. Rockin' for the rocket ages. Real frizzy, and I'm back. I rip the track like it's fire contracts. I contact the author of life. Giving props. Pause for a sacrifice to worship when I rock. Adrenaline rushing, but it's never in vain. On tracks I catch wreck like a runaway train. I'll never take away another man's breath of life. I got too much respect for life. God given. I'm speaking life dead serious. Rocking the crowd like never before, period. Writing rhymes is a daily operation. My passion, my hobby, and my occupation. I got a box around pages. Box around pages. Rock stop, rock stop. Rockin' for the rocket ages.
Oh, chiudi con 360, Napoli, chiudi con 360, Chiudi con 360, Napoli. Andate becco Napoli, Matte. Matte, chiudi! Andiamo, dai.